Do you know there is a 70% increase in store visits from customers who got coupons or alerts from the store nearby, and 65% out of those customers made a purchase. So geofencing marketing is the perfect way that can help you attract the customers who are within your boundary. Hi everyone, this is Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to talk about what exactly geofencing marketing is and how you can use it for attracting the local audiences to your business. Geofencing marketing is an option that will help you in building your own brand. This is available to all the small and big businesses. However, we don't hear much about it. Let's try and understand it further. It basically relies on tracking the data from your smartphones to deliver location-based advertisement. It makes use of your mobile GPS location tracker. So, when a business owner decides to participate in geofencing marketing, they identify a specific boundary that they want to target. They then deliver their ads to their audience when they come into that particular location. They build a virtual fence around that particular area using the tracking capability of smartphones. Anytime someone enters this virtual fence, they are going to see company related ads on their mobile phones. For example, Panos Pizza has used geofencing. As soon as a lady entered into the fence, she received a notification saying flat 30% on classic pizzas. And plus, there are only 45 coupons left. After reading this message, there is a high chance that lady will go and place an order in the restaurant. I have already started getting the smell of pizza, so I might buy one after this video. So now let's move on and discuss this in further detail and discuss some strategies for geofencing marketing that will help you guys to also reach and attract customers. Research for targeted audience. Geofencing marketing highly depends on your target audience, so you should understand who your target audience is and what they want. If you are confident about who your target audience can be, then what you can do is interact with the customers you already have on social media platforms and know their opinion about your business, products and services. Let's talk about Starbucks. Whenever a person comes into the geofence and then places their order, they always interact and solve the queries of the customer. Like in here, through their chat session, they are interacting with the customer who has placed an order inside the geofence. They are helping their customers in placing their order. Second, mark your geofence at the correct parameters. Many companies get too excited after they get to know about the benefits of geofencing, and this lead to creation of oversized geofences. So always keep your boundaries small and compact, that is a 15 to 20 minute walk away from your store, so that customers can easily visit and grab whatever they want. For example, Starbucks is also using geofencing and has made their boundaries compact. Starbucks made its boundary within 10 minutes, and as soon as a visitor steps into the boundary, they receive a notification of some offers or discounts that they could avail from Starbucks. For example, as soon as this person Phil entered the geofence created by Starbucks, he got a notification that said you are near Starbucks and currently your favorite drink vanilla latte is on a discount of 50%. So just think whether Phil would be interested in making the purchase or not. So the third on the list is make your ads actionable. Be more specific and to the point with your call to action button. While promoting a new product, always ask the user to try the product rather than buy the product. With this, you are guiding them to the way of buying. Like in this example, when a customer entered the geofence created by Burger King, they displayed this ad on their smartphone and they asked them to take a look at their 50 stunner menu through an action button, that is order now. Another example is Taco Bell has used the geofencing through GPS maps and used the call to action button like info, go there, so that users could easily access the purchase the box of 12 tacos. Fourth on my list is review your data on regular basis. Always keep a check on how your promotions are going through geofencing and digital marketing. Keep a look at your social media platforms, your website, your app, and keep filtering and making new content according to the customer's needs. You should know how your campaign and ad promotions are working out for you on all the platforms. You can use sites like TechNavio that can help you know about ROI from geofencing. Now it's time for bonus point. You can also use this technique like retargeting to bring back the customers who left your parameter without making a purchase. In my view, retargeting is the best technique that you could use to bring back your targeted audience to your store again. McDonald's also uses the geofencing to retarget its customers. For example, this person Larry went to the geofenced area created by McDonald's, added a burger to their cart but left without purchasing it for some reason. Now, McDonald's is retargeting Larry by showing him ads on every digital platform that he visits. Like they are sending him messages that if he places his order within limit time, he can get a 50% discount. They are also displaying ads on Facebook so that he could complete his purchase. So use geofence marketing and boost your business. Reach out to new people and keep having new changes according to the customers. Always keep the customers happy and satisfied. So with this, we are at the end of the video. If you have any queries, just drop them down in the comment section below. Now, I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.